Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Okay, what have we got here? These are Trader Joe's Veggie and Flaxseed tortilla chips. There they are. Mike Foster here. How you doing? Hey, it's another Mike Tries, and you know I love Trader Joe's, but these are pretty healthy. These are made with carrots, tomatoes, spinach, garlic, red beet, and onion, and of course flaxseed. And they've got 500 milligrams of your omega-3s per serving. Also a good source of fiber. Let's check that out. Wow. Low in sodium, only 50 milligrams per serving. Calories, only 120 calories. The carbs, 17. Carbs are 17, but the fiber is 3, so that's not bad. And 2 grams of protein. Get a little vitamin C, a little vitamin A. Is this a cheating way to get you veggies? We'll see. All right, there's the thumbnail. Let's take a bite. Mike Tries. All right, this one's one of those red beets. All right, I gotta tell you, it tastes really good. Like I said, low sodium, so it's not overly salty. Let's try some of the other ones. I taste the garlic too. Here's spinach. These are good. You probably dip them in hummus or something. Even use a salsa. I like it. And you can pretend like you're eating healthy. Just a stone ground flax. A healthier snack. I mean, not as healthy as a carrot or an apple, but not a bad snack. And very tasty. Good for you. Veggie and flaxseed tortilla chips from Trader Joe's. For more Mike Tries, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I will finish chewing if I get time because it's rude. It's not sweet, but I will. I think I got flax in my mouth. All right. Oh, this one got out of the bag. Oh.